Fire in the hole! Let's cook some garlic rolls. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard barbecue. What we're doing for you today is we're going to make some garlic rolls with bacon. And what I got here is some what they call convenience dough. This is what they call puff pastry. And you buy this at the grocery store and it comes like this. And I cut it into these strips. I'm going to take some, I got some garlic and olive oil in my pilon. I'm gonna paint those things with some garlic and olive oil like this. Get them all garliced up. Oh boy, don't that look good already? That looks like something you want to eat already. Oh, I'm gonna put some tango spice on there too. Yeah, we're gonna get that painted up with some garlic and olive oil. Lots of garlic. I'm not skipping on the garlic already. Stop doing that. Put more garlic on there. I like garlic, a lot of garlic. So we got some garlic and olive oil on those, paint them up. Good with that. Yeah, let's get some more on there. You can't have too much garlic and you can't have too much bacon, I think, in my opinion. Anyway, and I got some tango spice. Rome is burning. I'm gonna sprinkle some of that on there. That's really good Italian spice. It's one of my favorite. I really love tango spice. Rome is burning. I hope John got the bottle I sent him. Anyway, he never said anything. There you go. Okay, so we got some tango spice on there. Now let's get some bacon going. You know, it's hard to get good bacon these days anymore. I'll tell you. The grocery stores just aren't cutting it for me anymore. I don't know. I might have to get a bacon supplier or something. So I got some nice thin cut bacon. Gonna get a strip of bacon here. This is thin cut, I said. Not two, just one. So we got a strip of bacon here, a strip of bacon here. Let's lay out that bacon, boy. Oh yeah, now you're talking. We've got garlic bread with bacon. How do you make garlic bread better? You put bacon on it. Yeah, 2 strips on each of those. I think we'll have just enough bacon in a package of bacon. 8 strips of bacon total. And yeah, there's only like 12 strips in a package anymore. Another problem these days. Anyway, we got some bacon on there. Let's get the bacon on there. Oh yeah, baby. Bacon strips and bacon strips and bacon strips. Hey, whatever happened to those guys? Anybody know? Are they still on business? I don't even know. I used to watch that channel all the time. Anyway, yeah, I almost didn't have enough bacon. Look at that. I got 2 pieces left in the package. There's the bacon. Okay, let's put a little bit more tango spice on there because it's good stuff. Tango spice is delicious. Rome is burning. It's a little hot, a little good. And I've got some Swiss cheese that I grated up. Grated Swiss cheese on there. These are going to be some packed up rolls, let me tell you what. So let me get that on there. Oh yeah, I'm only gonna roll one of them up for you because it's a lot of work, and I don't want to make a mess here. I am gonna make a mess, but anyway, yeah, let's get that cheese on there. We're gonna put plenty of cheese on later on. We're gonna put more on top, but a little bit in the middle. Let's see. Let's get this bacon out of my way. Wipe my hands a little bit. A paper towel. Now we'll take that puff pastry like this and start to roll it like this. Rolling it like that. There you go. There's one of them done. I'm going to take a knife and cut that in half. I can reach my knife. Come here, knife. I'm going to cut that right in half. Which is going to be a dicey proposition. There you go. And there you go. That's a bacon roll. I have a pan here, a loaf pan. Something got in it. Get that out of there. I have a loaf pan that I buttered. I'm gonna put them in there like this. You see? We'll throw some more cheese on top and some more tango spice and some more garlic. We'll paint some more of that garlic on top of there. Plenty of garlic on each one of those. We'll get them on the fire. We'll get them cooking. I'll show you what that looks like, so stay tuned. I got my rolls in the pan. We're going to take the rest of that garlic and olive oil and paint the top of those with it. We're not going to waste any of that. Good garlic, not going to go to waste, and olive oil. Paint the top of those babies. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now you're talking. And we'll throw some more cheese on top of there. We can't have too much cheese, can we? There's some more Swiss cheese. That's some good Swiss cheese right there. Oh boy. This is going to be a messy proposition. A little bit of tango spice right on top. Right on top. Alright. Yeah, let's get that on the fire, get it cooking. Take about 30 minutes on the grill. If you don't have a grill and you want to make this, you can do it in the oven. But me, I'm lucky I have a grill, so stay tuned. Okay, I got a good hot fire going. I got my pizza stone on the grill. We're going to put those garlic rolls right in the middle. And we're going to cover them and let them cook. Take about 30-45 minutes to get them cooked. And then we'll come back, we'll get them out of there, get them on a plate, we'll take a taste and drink a beer. So stay tuned. Okay, my cheesy bacon garlic rolls are done. Here's today's beer. I got a nice Peroni Nastro Azzurro, a nice Italian beer for my garlic rolls. I like this beer. I've had it before. It's a Pilsner, I think. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. It could be a lager, could be a Pilsner. I'm sure it says it on there somewhere. I don't know where. It's in Italian anyway, so I can't read it. It's Italian. Okay, nice Italian beer for my garlic rolls. Hey, if you like your garlic rolls drenched in bacon fat and garlic and olive oil, have I got a treat for you. These things were... There's my beer. Anyway, yeah, let's take a sniff of that, Rob. I think that's pretty good beer. Ah, that's a good beer. You can smell that. That's a good, I think that's a lager. Let's quaff the froth off that. I'm dry. Ah, that's good beer. Let me get one of these in my mouth. Let me turn the camera around. Stay tuned. So, as I was saying, if you like your garlic rolls drenched in bacon fat and olive oil and cheese, well, boy, have I got a recipe for you. I can't wait to try one of these. I know the bacon's not crispy, and the rolls are like soft from being, oh, they're still hot. They're still hot. I'm still gonna bite it though. I'm gonna give it a shot. Ready? That's not bad. Oh, I'm knackered. Not bad. That's good. The cheese is crispy. Yeah, the bacon, nowhere near done. It's cooked though. They're good. They're actually very good. I'm surprised. I didn't think they'd be any good when I thought about it. You know, after I cooked them. The cheese is crispy. It's actually crunching in my mouth. It's not bad. It's garlicky and chewy. The bacon's chewy. Not bad. Not bad. Not a bad recipe, baby. I hope you liked the video. That's it. You know what I always say? If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up in the iCard I visit my buddy Jay. I just learned his name was Jay. I don't know what I've been calling him all this time. Buzz Barbecue. Go check him out. Subscribe to me. If that dog doesn't shut up, I'm gonna kill it. I'm gonna murder it. Anyway, yeah, that's my video, babies. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I had to pour a lot of bacon grease off that pan, you know, while I was cooking it. A lot of bacon grease caught in the pan. And the rolls are drenched in bacon grease, but they're delicious. They're actually crispy and flaky. The bacon is not really crispy, but it's cooked. They're not bad. They're not bad. I've had worse. Anyway, babies, hope you like my recipe. And you know, go up the iCard and see Jay, Buzz Barbecue. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we're gonna drink a beer. I bet you that. Bye.